guys, welcome to the Evan Show. Today we're going to be making our homemade Pop-Tart. And today we're going to be making a brown sugar Pop-Tart. As you see here, we have a lot of ingredients. So as we go, I'll tell you what we need. So let's get started. And the first thing we need is our pie crust so we can cut it. And this will be our Pop-Tart dough. Let's open it up. Let's grab our scissors. Now after we rolled out our pie crust, we are going to use a pizza cutter to cut this. Now that we're done cutting our squares, now we're gonna make our brown sugar mixture. We have a half tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of flour and a cup of brown sugar. We're gonna dump all the ingredients in and mix it with a spoon. Let's pour our let's try this. I can taste that cinnamon and that brown sugar. But the flour will help it turn into a paste when it's in the oven though. Now we're gonna make some egg wash. We need 1 egg, a little bit of milk, a whisk, and a brush. Let's start. Okay, let's see. Whoa! I cracked this egg! Let's put some milk. Now let's whisk it. Now we're gonna brush our squares with our egg wash. Let's this little bit. Now we're gonna put brown sugar in the middle of the square, of 2 squares. I'm gonna use the closest. Let's grab this one. What you want to do is not put any of the brown sugar where the edges are because you want to mash them down. Now that we're done, we are going to grab these. Let's hopefully this doesn't come. Now we're going to use this fork so we can seal these edges. Look at this Pop-Tart. Doesn't it look like an actual Pop-Tart? Now we're gonna poke holes in it. And then when we're done, we're gonna put egg wash on it. We have parchment paper on top of a cookie sheet. we're gonna put our Pop-Tarts on it. Woo! Delicious. While our oven is preheating at 350 degrees, we're gonna pour the rest of the milk into our brown sugar to make the topping. All this milk comes to mix up. Let's mix this up. And that will cook for 15 minutes. Now that we're done baking our Pop-Tarts and they're nice and cool, we're gonna put on the frosting, but these look delicious. We didn't make a white frosting because we didn't want to waste our brown sugar, so we have a brown sugar frosting. Let's start putting it on our thing. Woo! I'll just put it. You can put this in the refrigerator so the icing can get hard, but I think I want to try one now. But let me rip it. Whoa! It's going to. Yum, yum, yum! This looks delicious. Guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching because I enjoyed making it. And this is a reminder, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.